The Google Pixel 10a is almost here, and new leaked renders have now revealed something many people were waiting for: all the official color options. For months, there were rumors and small hints about this phone, but only one color had been officially shown by Google. Now, thanks to fresh leaks, it is possible to see exactly how every version of the Pixel 10a will look. Google has already confirmed that the Pixel 10a will launch later this month. In the official teaser shared by the company, only one color option was displayed. That teaser gave a small preview of the phone, but left many questions unanswered. One of the biggest questions was about the full range of colors. Many Pixel fans love Google phones not just for their software and cameras, but also for their unique and fun color choices. According to the latest leaked images, the Pixel 10a will be available in 4 different colors. These renders reportedly come from official marketing material, which means they should be very close to what Google will actually announce. The 4 colors include a light gray with a green tint, a darker gray shade, a purplish blue option, and a bright mix of red and pink. The official names of these colors have also leaked before. Based on previous information, the 4 colors are expected to be called Fog, Obsidian, Lavender, and Berry. The Fog version appears to be the light gray model with a slight green touch. This one looks clean, simple, and modern. It is likely aimed at users who prefer a more neutral and professional-looking phone. The Obsidian color is the dark gray option. This is the classic, safe choice for people who like darker phones. Obsidian has been a common color name for Pixel devices in the past, and it usually represents the most basic and widely available version. Lavender is the purplish blue shade. This color was actually shown in Google's official teaser, so it is already familiar to many people. It gives the phone a fresh and stylish look without being too bright or flashy. Finally, there is the berry color. This is easily the most eye-catching option in the lineup. It is a bold mix of red and pink designed for users who want something colorful and fun. The berry version had leaked before, but in the new images it appears even brighter and more vibrant than expected. These new renders give a very clear idea of how each color will look from different angles. The design of the Pixel 10a itself does not bring any major surprises. It follows the same overall style that Google has been using for its recent Pixel phones. The camera bar on the back, the flat display, and the simple clean design all remain very familiar. In terms of hardware and features, the Pixel 10a is not expected to be a huge upgrade compared to last year's Pixel 9a. Most rumors suggest that the phone will be very similar to its predecessor in many ways. Reports claim that the Pixel 10a will use the Tensor G4 chipset just like the Pixel 9a. However, the new model may come with a slightly higher clock speed, which could give it a small performance boost. This means everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking should feel a little smoother and faster. The camera system is also expected to remain mostly the same as last year. Google usually focuses more on software improvements rather than big hardware changes in its A series phones. That means users can expect the same great photo quality that Pixel phones are known for, powered by Google's excellent image processing. Battery life should also be very similar. Rumors suggest the Pixel 10a will include the same 5100 mAh battery found in the Pixel 9. That is already a large battery, so the phone should easily last a full day of normal use. One piece of good news is about pricing. Some reports claim that the Pixel 10a might be a little cheaper than the Pixel 9a, at least in certain regions like Europe. If that turns out to be true, it could make the Pixel 10a an even more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The official announcement for the Pixel 10a is set for February 18. That means all the final details, including price, specifications, and availability, will be confirmed very soon. Interestingly, Google will not have the spotlight for long. Just one day after the Pixel 10a launch, Apple is rumored to announce the iPhone 17e on February 19. Samsung is also preparing to launch new devices, including the Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 in the coming weeks. The smartphone market is about to get very busy. Still, the Pixel 10a has its own special place. Google's A-series phones have always been popular because they offer a great balance of price, performance, and camera quality. They are not meant to be flagship killers, but they deliver a solid overall experience at a reasonable cost. One of the best things about Pixel phones has always been the color choices. Many smartphone brands play it safe with boring black, white, or gray options. Google, on the other hand, likes to add personality and fun to its devices. These leaked colors show that the Pixel 10a will continue that tradition. Having 4 distinct color options gives buyers more freedom to choose a phone that matches their style. Instead of being forced to buy a plain-looking device, users can pick something that feels more personal and unique. Overall, the Pixel 10a is shaping up to be another reliable and well-rounded mid-range smartphone from Google. It may not bring huge changes, but it looks like a solid upgrade with fresh colors, good performance, and the familiar Pixel experience. All the official details will be revealed very soon. But for now, these leaked renders give a great preview of what to expect. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay informed about the latest smartphone leaks and launches, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.